Hey everyone, I'm Ingrid Nilsen and I have been making beauty, style, and intentional living videos on YouTube for the last 10 years. I'm super excited because this video is part of a series that I'm making in partnership with Indeed, and it's all about what to wear to work. Now, as someone who has done a lot of work travel over the years, I know how hard it can be to pack multiple outfits for different work scenarios and for different climates. And on top of that, trying to fit it all into a carry-on. So today, I'm going to show you 3 outfits in 5 minutes or less that will take you from the plane to a meeting to happy hour. Let's go. Let's start off with the airplane outfit. When I am on a plane, I want to be comfortable, but I also want to make sure that the pieces I'm wearing can transition into other outfits on my trip. In this outfit, I paired a trench coat with a gray sweatshirt, black knit pants, and comfy black sneakers. When I'm on a plane, I just want to be comfortable. So that's where these black knit pants really come in because they're light, breathable, loose, they move around with me, and the waistband isn't tight, so I can sit comfortably for a long period of time on a plane. I also have on a sweatshirt because I just feel good in a sweatshirt, and you never know what temperature it's going to be on an airplane. So you can wear a t-shirt underneath this, but I always think it's good to have layers when you're on a plane. And then for the trench coat, this is really to save room in my suitcase, and a trench coat is a great staple to have. I can wear this when I'm at the airport getting on the plane and also off the plane. It also elevates the look a lot too. So underneath I'm wearing a sweatshirt and these pants, but the trench coat really dresses it up. And for shoes, I always have to keep it comfortable, especially when it comes to being at an airport, because who knows if like an escalator or an elevator is gonna be broken and you're gonna have to climb a bunch of stairs. You just never know. So now let's change up this outfit a little bit so we can go straight from the plane to a meeting. Here, I'm just changing out 2 pieces, my top and my shoes. I'm also adding in some color because the striped top has a pop of red on the pocket, and I'm also putting on some red lipstick. When I travel, I really try to pack within a color palette, so I like wearing neutrals with a pop of red, especially because I love red lipstick. This way, I know that everything's gonna go together and I can wear them in a ton of different ways. But you can really work with whatever colors you like. For shoes, I'm changing into something dressier but still comfortable because these are slides and I can just literally slide them on my feet. And the red lipstick, I feel like always elevates a look and makes it feel dressier. And when you combine this with the trench coat, the black pants, the change of the shoes, I feel like this is a really chic and sophisticated look and also something very classic. All right, it's time for happy hour and we're gonna change out another 2 items. So here, we're saying goodbye to the trench coat, we're bringing in a red jacket, and we're saying goodbye to those slides and bringing in some patent booties. So this is where the color really comes in. I feel like for happy hour, I just really like bringing in my personality more, and I love this red jacket because it's lightweight. I love the bright color, and it's just fun to wear. For shoes, I thought it would be fun to wear something with a little bit of a heel. It's not super high, but I love the sheen of these booties. I feel like it adds a different texture and it's still within my color palette. So you can see how I'm still working with the black and white neutrals, but then I have the pops of red, and I love that contrast. This is an outfit that I think is perfect for happy hour because it brings out my personality, the fun, the color, but it's also still comfortable. So that is going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more like this, make sure to check out the Dress the Part series on the Indeed YouTube channel. I'm talking about what to wear to an interview, what to wear in different industries, and more. And I'm really excited for you guys to see them. And just in case you didn't know, Indeed has a ton of tips and advice for every stage of your job search. You can learn more on the Indeed YouTube channel, and you can also go to indeed.com/career advice. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.